Hi. In this video I will be reviewing the copy functions that are available within the Cert-In Estimating system. I felt that some clarification was needed, and I also wanted to demonstrate some new features that have been added in our latest patch. A recent problem forced us to make some changes to how the copy breakout utility works and to add some new features that we hope will improve the takeoff speed. So the copy breakout utility is accessed from the breakout chart by right-clicking the mouse and going down to Copy Breakout. It displays the copy breakout utility, and it will be the breakout that will have been selected is the breakout you started from, the one that had been selected in the background. And you can change locations just at will by the same way you would in a breakout chart, the official breakout, the estimating breakout chart. What you can do is you can copy an assembly from one breakout to another breakout. The thing that needs to be made aware of is that when you want to copy an assembly that has filled components, you don't select all the components, you just select the assembly. And once you've got that assembly selected, then you can do a copy, or you can do a move, or you can delete the selected item if you want to. I would use caution with that because there's no undo button. If you delete it, then you would have to get in touch with us to have us restore an archive. Or you can clear the selected items. You may want to wonder why you want to clear the selected. So if I clear the selected here, this menu button has different components. It has a copy contents and a move contents. So you don't have to select anything in the source breakout. It will copy all the contents or it will move all the contents. The difference is if you select something, the menu then becomes different. It comes copy selected items, move selected items, as I said, delete selected items, or clear the selected items. To copy the selected items, you just select the copy. I've already got a source destination selected, so I'm just going to copy that into here. Now click the copy button and it instantaneously copies the item in there. It's really not very difficult to use. It's easy to use, and as long as you understand how the different processes work. You can also go to a different job, and in that different job you can select items to be imported or copied into it. Many people use this to quickly create a schedule of values or create a budget or something like that. The same process occurs. If you don't select everything, you copy the contents. If you select something, then you copy the selected items. So copy selected or move the selected and just clear the selected. And there's one other feature that a lot of people aren't aware of or never have seen, is if you want to create a new breakout in a cell in a destination, you can right-click the mouse once you're in that area, and you can add a new breakout or you can insert a new breakout. If you insert a new breakout, the breakout will be inserted above the item you have selected. If you add a new breakout, it will be added to the end of the breakout list. Alright, that's enough about the copy breakout utility. Now let me show you what this latest patch gave you. If I'm here in this breakout, in this building 1 NA common area, and I want to copy this assembly, all I have to do is do a Control-C and go to the destination where I want to put it and do a Control-V and it's selected there. Now we've always had the ability to copy and paste using these two icons at the top, but this was klutzy and hard and difficult to do, and it just was a clumsy way of doing things. Now you have an easier way of doing it, and if you don't clear what you've selected with the Control-C, you can continue putting what you've copied in different locations as long as you don't clear it. You can also copy a part. You click on Control-C and then you go to some location where you want to put this item, Control-V, he adds the part in here. As is usual with our system, parts cannot be added individually. They always must be attached to an assembly. So if an assembly is not in this breakout that you're copying to, then it's going to add it to the miscellaneous assembly. If there was already an assembly in here, then you would select the assembly and do the Control-V and it would automatically copy it in here. I hope that I've cleared some things up, and I hope this is shows you something that we think is better and faster, and that if you have any problems with it, please let us know.